Today on AFOL TV, it's our latest set of LEGO instructions, and it starts right now. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to build awesome LEGO creations, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you never miss anything. So as mentioned in the opening, it's our latest instruction build. As a reminder, you can speed up or slow down the video below in the YouTube controls. So let's get to it. And that's it. Hope you guys liked the build. We'd really appreciate it if you like, share, and consider subscribing if you don't already. You can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook as @afol.tv. And lastly, you can download these instructions and other part files from our website, www.afolstore.com. Thanks again for watching.